Question 181. How would you approach debugging and troubleshooting errors in a Kotlin application, particularly in a production environment? When debugging a Kotlin application in production, I would rely on logging, monitoring tools, and error tracking services to identify and diagnose issues quickly. I would also prioritize fixing critical bugs to minimize downtime and maintain a seamless user experience. Question 182. Describe a challenging problem you encountered while working on a Kotlin project and how you solved it. In a Kotlin project, I faced a performance bottleneck related to inefficient database queries. I optimized the queries, implemented caching mechanisms, and introduced parallel processing to significantly improve the application's response time and scalability. Question 183. How do you ensure code quality and consistency in a collaborative Kotlin project, especially when working with a distributed team? To maintain code quality and consistency in a collaborative Kotlin project, I follow coding standards, conduct code reviews, and automate code formatting using tools like Kotlin. I also promote communication and knowledge sharing among team members to align on best practices and foster a cohesive development environment. Question 184. How would you design a scalable and resilient microservices architecture using Kotlin and technologies like Spring Cloud or Micronaut? When designing a microservices architecture in Kotlin, I would focus on decoupling services, implementing service discovery, load balancing, and fault tolerance mechanisms. Technologies like Spring Cloud or Micronaut provide robust support for building distributed systems that are scalable, resilient, and easy to maintain. Question 185. Discuss your experience with continuous integration and continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipelines for Kotlin projects. I have extensive experience setting up CI/CD pipelines for Kotlin projects to automate build, test, and deployment processes. I utilize tools like Jenkins, GitLab C, or GitHub Actions to ensure code quality, streamline delivery, and accelerate the release cycle in a reliable and efficient manner. Question 186. How would you approach optimizing the build process of a Kotlin project to reduce compilation times and improve developer productivity? To optimize the build process of a Kotlin project, I would leverage incremental compilation, caching mechanisms, and build optimizations provided by tools like Gradle or Kotlin build scripts. By minimizing redundant operations and maximizing build performance, developers can iterate faster and focus on delivering high-quality features. Question 187. Can you discuss your experience with cloud-native development using Kotlin and platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure? I have hands-on experience developing cloud-native applications in Kotlin and deploying them on platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure. I am proficient in utilizing cloud services, managing resources, and implementing scalable architectures to build robust and resilient applications in the cloud environment. Question 188. How would you ensure data security and compliance in a Kotlin application, especially when handling sensitive information? To ensure data security and compliance in a Kotlin application, I would implement encryption, authentication, and access control mechanisms to protect sensitive information. I would also adhere to industry standards, regulations, and best practices to maintain data privacy, integrity, and confidentiality throughout the application lifecycle. Question 189. Describe your experience with containerization and orchestration technologies like Docker and Kubernetes in Kotlin projects. I have successfully containerized Kotlin applications using Docker and orchestrated them with Kubernetes to achieve scalability, resilience, and portability. I am proficient in managing containerized environments, deploying microservices, and automating deployment workflows to streamline operations and optimize resource utilization. Question 190. How would you approach refactoring legacy Java codebases to Kotlin to leverage its modern features and enhance maintainability? When refactoring legacy Java codebases to Kotlin, I would focus on converting Java idioms to Kotlin idiomatic constructs, utilizing null safety, data classes, and extension functions to improve code readability and maintainability. I would also perform thorough testing to ensure the refactored code behaves as expected and delivers the intended benefits. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like SIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like SIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.